Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports. Here today to give a brief instructional video on the new adjustable launch control for the MG1 Can-Ams. We've had our tech support and sales staff get quite a few questions from customers, and so we want to do a little video just to go through the operation again, make sure everyone understands how it functions. Okay, so the first thing you have to do after flashing your ECU with the adjustable launch control file is you have to key on and then you will hold the headlight button down on the bottom side, and then using the gas pedal you have to set the RPMs one time. Okay, you have to do this anytime you flash the ECU, but once it's set forever. Okay, so let's just say for this vehicle we want to set it at 2500. So we're going to press the gas pedal to where it gets to 25. Let go. I missed it. I got 26. But anyway, for the sake of this video, let's just say it's 2600. After you let go of the headlight button, now it's set. You don't have to set it again unless you want to change it. Now we're going to go through the operation of how to engage launch control and when you're able to engage it. So we built in some safety features into the MG1 launch strategy over and above what we did with the ME17. And we did this to prevent customers from inadvertently damaging their engines by operating launch when it's either the water temps are either too cold or too hot. So in order to engage staging mode, the water temps have to be above 130 degrees Fahrenheit, okay, and then less than 215 degrees Fahrenheit. And also for intake temps, you have to be below 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're in those parameters, you can enter staging mode, and we'll go through how to do that and then how to launch the car. For customers that want to practice this, it doesn't have to be done in drive. You can do launch in park, so you're not engaging your belt, destroying your belt. You can practice this in park, or at least how to engage it properly. And again, that way you're not beating up your drivetrain. So first thing you're going to do is start your engine. Okay, we can scroll through and look at our engine temp. We can see we're at 142 degrees or 140. So now we're going to momentarily push up on the launch button until we hear the RPMs go to 2000. Okay, so now we're in staging mode. In staging mode, you have about 2.5 minutes in staging mode, and you can actually drive the car around in staging mode. Okay, but when you want to launch the car, you have to go full on brake and then full gas. We don't pussyfoot around. You go right to the floor. Okay, so you can see that it built boost. If you try to gently do it, you're never going to engage it because your RPMs are going to go past the set point. You have to go right to the floor. Sometimes customers who aren't familiar with launch control are afraid to press hard on the gas pedal with their foot on the brake, but that is the way you have to engage launch control. And then obviously once the lights turn yellow and you're ready to go, you keep your foot all the way to the floorboards, and you let off the brake, and now your car will come out of launch mode and run normally, except it'll leave with 6, 7, 10, 15 pounds of boost, whatever, wherever you want it to be. So, but that's the overview. Again, we wanted to do this video just to kind of walk people through it, because it is it's a sophisticated system. We did it that way to protect customers, but also to have these features that really nobody else has. So stay tuned for more.